Hi, it's Technology Laura, and today I'm going to talk to you about Storyboard That. First of all, I started integrating Storyboard That last year because my students really enjoyed making comics. So let's begin. The first thing you want to do is go to StoryboardThat.com. Then you're going to click Create a Storyboard. Once you are there, you're going to see these 3 blank panels. The first thing I recommend is clicking scenes, and then you can scroll through. There are many different scenes. Some of my students will pick the same scene 3 times. Other students like to change their scenes each time. So again, it's really whatever your students like to do. And there's so many awesome scenes already for you, so it really instills creativity. After you've picked your scenes, you're going to want to add characters. So there are so many characters. There are categorized by teens, kid, job, sports, animals. So there's so many things you could do. So you just kind of drag and drop the dog. You can change the color. You can change the pose. If you want to make it smaller, you could go like this. Next, you can add a kid in there if you want to. And then maybe this scene right here, you want to have a different person in there, so you can add her. And then if you're teaching like 16 to the 1800s, you can pick all these different characters and they have different attire. And then for the third scene, say you want to focus on jobs, you could have a police officer, fireman, a doctor, etc. So the next part I'll draw your attention to is speech bubbles. So you want to click on your speech bubble and drag that in. And this is where the students will type in their comments. So, hello, what are we learning about today? So it's really easy. You can change the font, the style, the size, etc., the color. And then, you can refocus this so it looks better. Make it smaller. And then, if you want your dog position, you can change your dog. Put the dog over here. Also, when you click on your character, you can edit their pose. So you can change the direction, their facial expressions, their hair. If they're seated, they can be all their hair color, skin color, eyes, shirt, pants. You can do randomize. So it's just so many different ways that you can really integrate comics. So wrap it up, you'd go to StoryboardThat.com, click create, find your scenes up here in the left-hand corner, then add your characters, and lastly your speech bubbles. So overall, it's really easy to use. I love making comics. I think my students do too. So be sure to like and subscribe for more EdTech tips. Thanks for listening.